Hello, today is September 18th, and this is Tristan's lawn. I am in the Hawthorne Hills area, North Seattle. And this is a lawn that I have just aerated, seeded, and fertilized. I used an organic fertilizer and about 150 pounds of soil amendment. Wait, excuse me, I used 75 pounds of soil amendment, mostly on the parking strips. And this is old sod that was laid. It was grown on a clay-based soil. That's what that white is. It's just dried up clay. And these parking strips just repel water. So I'm trying to amend the soil underneath there. So I am going to come back in about a month's time and take a look at this lawn and just see how it's doing. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and we've had a drought all summer. And it just rained last night, so now is just the perfect time. Once again, thank you for watching my video. This is Stewart Armour, Aerating-Thatching company, LawnTuneUps.com. Hello, this is Stewart with Aerating-Thatching company. Today is October 21st, and this is a lawn that I had previously aerated, seeded, fertilized, and put some soil amendment on here. I did what I call an organic lawn tune-up on this lawn. I was trying to bring it back. And here are the parking strips. Parking strips are in really bad condition, and my amendment has really worked wonders on here. This lawn has just came back beautifully. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.